Welcome to part 2 of 3 of our mini-series.
Part 2 of 3 of the Nevada phase of the mini-series of flying. We're at Henderson Executive, heading off on a short flight. We're going to go over Hoover Dam.
So whilst Adam is setting up and doing all of his checks and stuff, I'll show you around the coolest hangar that ever was. This is a Cirrus special edition, and I think it was the 8,000 of these to be made, so it's been done in this wicked green and black colour. This is the plane that Adam passed his BFR in, which is a Cessna, but like the Rolls Royce of Cessnas. It's got autopilot, which I think he's not used to back at home. So yeah, he loved flying that. And then we've got another Cirrus over here, a really cool colour. I love these little shoes. I don't know what the technical term is for those, but they're like little cool 70s boots. But today we will be taking out the 172 that we took out yesterday, which is an amazing aeroplane.
Good to go.
This is what it's going to be in about 15 minutes. 5,000 feet up in the air above the mountains.
You good to go?
Good to go.
Right, seal the doors.
That is what I like to call the nostril view.
Henderson Tower, Skyhawk 677, November Delta, holding short on runway 35 left, ready for departure.
Sky 677 November Delta, Henderson Tower, runway 35 left, clear for takeoff, right turn approved.
We line up on the runway, 10 degrees of flat, we're going power against the brakes. Woohoo! How are you feeling?
Wow!
We're away. Now it'll be just a little bit lively this bit.
The ridge. It's like in Finding Nemo. The drop off.
It's the drop off, isn't it? It's our equivalent of the drop off.
Yeah. Where you have to hold on to your knickers.
Yeah. Lively ridge work. Over there. We'll set course to hook up with the Colorado.
There is the solar panel farm. Wouldn't do so well in Chorley, that. know what we're doing right now.
Yeah, it's pretty magical, this, isn't it? How gorgeous is that?
Oh my god!
There's Vegas.
Woo!
You're good, babe?
Oh yeah.
Bit lively?
This has been the coolest day ever!
Are you enjoying it?
I can't even describe how cool this is.
It's on another level, isn't it? I mean, Hoover Dam is probably the coolest thing I've ever done.
Yeah.
City traffic happy on 57 on runway 33. It'll be left.
You just soak it in. I'm just leaving the
Traffic happy
engine.
on 57. We're on a left downwind for runway 33. It's going to be a short approach over city traffic.
Right, but you're going to turn us in line with that road. So at the mountain now, you're going to take controls, push forward and left a bit because we're turning right, aren't we? So push left to level the wings. That's it. That's okay. You're good. And now this road here, now turn us right to get our wings level again.
Hey,
Push right.
I'm going down!
Alright, right. So just pull back slightly. There you go. Now turn us in line with this road on our left.
What do you mean?
See the road on the left?
Yeah.
Follow it. It'll be very important. That's it. And you just want to keep that's nice. That's about the right amount of back pressure.
Hey.
Okay, wing level, wing
Help
level.
me!
Yeah,
No, I don't want to do any more.
Now you good?
This is my first bit of flying. There.
You flew us over the dry lake bed.
Which is really cool. You don't feel like you can get into danger. There.
Oh, it's a good spot for it, that.
And I did a bit of a turn.
Did a bit of a turn. Spot on.
Henderson Executive Airport Information Bravo 2257 Zulu. Wind 360 at 15. Weather better than 5,000 and 5. Temperature 26. Dew point -10.
Henderson Tower, Skyhawk 677, November Delta, with information Bravo overhead the ridge for rejoin.
Skyhawk 677, November Delta, Henderson Tower, make a straight and approach, runway 35 right, report 3 mile final.
Report 3 mile final, report runway 35 right, Skyhawk 7 November Delta.
Skyhawk 7, November Delta, runway 35 right, go in.
Where's the land, runway 35 right, Skyhawk 7 November Delta. So that's looking good. See the way you want 2 red and 2 white lights. That's the perfect approach there.
Already looking amazing, that babe.
Looking pretty nice.
Skyhawk 7, November Delta, wind is 340 at 11, gust 19.
Lined it up perfectly.
Looking good.
Just got to get over that freeway.
That's it. Over the freeway, onto the tarmac, job's good.